In this video, we are going to be running Pocket Option Auto Trader. It's a free binary option robot that you also can get started with completely for free. Link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on if you like this type of videos. So now, it's a Saturday morning. I will take a trade with 5-second close. We will use triple confirm. We will take $700 trades. I will set opposite direction. And we set a profit target of $2,500. So now let's see how we do. So now we start the bot. Now he will start to, as always, he will start to collect all the information he needs from the chart that we are trading on. Also, he will get all the information he needs from the indicators that are inside triple confirm, the strategy we chose for this time around. So let's see how this will turn out. It's always good to start the bot every single morning so we can get started with the day with some extra money. This bot have worked very amazingly for me, and like I said, you can also get started completely free with link above the video and below the video, depending where you are, if you're X or if you're in YouTube. So now he's starting to look for a trade. Also, if you have any question at all, just leave it below the video in the comment. I reply to every single question at X and at YouTube. Also, if you have some very specific questions, you can just push this button there. You come to Telegram and you can ask me there directly. So we have now taken 2 trades. The first trade was a loss and the second trade was a winner. So currently we are with a 50% win rate and we have a $588 profit. So we will need a few more trades before we get to our target of $2,500. So now he will start to look for a new trade. The thing is, the trades does not always come right away because need to be the specific setup that is for every single strategy. Of course, when it's a 5-second, the movements are much faster, so also the trades come faster, and of course the trades are closed faster. Okay, so now let's see. Also help me out a little. More comments and things you make and like the video makes some more people see this video, because then it's more fun for me to make this type of videos when I see more people are seeing it. And if you have some friends or someone that you think can have some interest about this type of videos, also share it with them. So now let's see, he's still looking for the next opportunity. He is now taking a buy trade. And let's see how that turns out. And that was a win. Perfect, we take that. So we are now at 6-7% win rate. He's taking now a new buy trade. He lost that one. We are now back to 50%. He's taking a sell trade because we have opposite direction. We won that one. So we have now 3 winners and 2 losses and a 60% win rate. That is still amazing in my book. Everything above 50%, to be honest with you, when you're taking multiple trades is good, because that means you are making money, especially if you're using the martingale strategy. As you can see, when I use martingale, I put it to a multiplier of 2 here now. That was actually a mistake, should be 2.2, but I don't think we will get so many losses, so I think that will be okay. You should put it to 2.2, because when he starts to multiply, especially around 3 and 4, it's better you have it at 2.2, so you keep the value difference, because we are not getting 100% back. So for example, when you win a $100 trade, you get like $92, right? So it's better you keep it a little higher. So 2.2 is where you should be. We are now taking a sell trade, and I think that ended up with a draw, so he will then look again. So when it's a draw, basically nothing come up with this bot. With another bot I have, Alpha1 bot, there you can see the draws also. So when you come a draw here, he basically don't show it. So now let's see, that is maybe something I will add into the next upgrade for this binary option robot. I will make so we have a column here that also shows the draw trades, so it's no confusement for what happened. So now we just need to wait. He's now looking again for the next opportunity. We are, by the way, getting close to our target, as we have $1,820 profit with a 60% win rate. I think we will need 2 more trades to reach our target. Let's see. Yeah, I think we need to. Now we are taking a buy trade. That was a win. We are missing just $36, and that can be now. We are taking a buy trade now, and there you have it. We got 5 wins, 2 losses, $3,108 profit and 71% win rate. That is amazing start of this Saturday. And like I said, you also can have this binary option robot completely for free. Link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.